Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will talk about, should you learn Kubernetes as a beginner? uh, Many beginners ask this question: should I even learn Kubernetes as a beginner, or is it too early for me? The answer is, it depends on where you are right now. If you are completely new to tech, Kubernetes is not the right starting point. You should first focus on basics like Linux, commands, networking, and containers. But if you already understand Docker, basic Linux, and how applications run, then learning Kubernetes can make sense. This mistake many beginners make is learning Kubernetes because they think it will automatically get them a job. Kubernetes is a powerful tool, but it is not a shortcut. A better approach is to learn Kubernetes when you understand why it exists and what problem it solves. So if you are a beginner, focus on building strong fundamentals first. Kubernetes will be much easier after that. In the future videos, I will also talk about learning Kubernetes path and resources for Kubernetes beginners. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.